The west coast of Florida is bracing for the worst. We'll give you a live look tonight from Tampa, Florida, preparing for what could be the area's largest hurricane in a century.
The Category 5 Hurricane Milton is expected to make landfall on Wednesday, and Governor Ron DeSantis is urging people to evacuate.
Monday morning, where we are today, you have time to execute your plan, but you got to do it now. And so this is something that's going to be really, really significant one way or another.
DeSantis has already issued states of emergency for at least 51 of the state's 67 counties.
Let's give you a live look now at Interstate 4 in Florida. People are heeding that warning as people are getting out of the storm's path. And right now on Interstate 4, things are much calmer. Traffic is moving very well, still a heavy flow, but things have really calmed down and we're not getting backups, which is great news. People are moving. But interstates across western Florida, they were dealing with bumper-to-bumper traffic all day because of evacuations. Some people reported dealing with multi-hour delays. Now, they were trying to get out of the Tampa area. Meantime, Gas Buddy says around 7% of gas stations in the state are already out of fuel. Many of them are headed north, and that's why Atlanta Motor Speedway is opening up its camping area for free to evacuees. You can go there. That free offer includes access to shower facilities with a limited number of full RV hookups as well, available to the campground at the racetrack. They have opened this previously during big storms over the past 10 years. It's a brilliant idea.
And